Hello, beautiful souls! Welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to smoother, more youthful-looking skin? Well, you're in the right place because today, we're diving into the ultimate guide on how to diminish those pesky wrinkles right from the comfort of your own home. But first, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest beauty tips and tricks. Trust me, you won't want to miss out. Now let's talk about wrinkles. Whether they're fine lines, laughter lines, or those not-so-welcome crow's feet, we've got you covered with natural remedies that'll have you glowing in no time. Picture this. You're in your kitchen, raiding the pantry for ingredients to whip up a skincare miracle. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's time to make that dream a reality. First up, we've got the superstar ingredient, avocado. Packed with vitamins and essential fatty acids, this green goddess works wonders for plumping up the skin and reducing the appearance of fine lines. Simply mash up half an avocado, mix in a teaspoon of honey, and voila! You've got yourself a nourishing mask that'll leave your skin feeling hydrated and rejuvenated. But wait, there's more! Let's not forget about the power of aloe vera. This humble plant isn't just for sunburns, it's also a potent anti-aging elixir. Slather on some freshly extracted aloe vera gel onto those trouble spots, and watch as it works its magic to smooth out wrinkles and restore your skin's youthful elasticity. Now I know what you're thinking, but what about those dark under-eye circles? Don't worry, we've got a solution for that too. Enter the humble cucumber. Not only does it make a refreshing snack, but it also works wonders for revitalizing tired, puffy eyes. Simply slice up a cucumber, pop those slices onto your eyes, sit back, and relax as the coolness soothes away any signs of fatigue. And there you have it, folks. 4 simple, yet incredibly effective, at-home remedies for reducing wrinkles and achieving that youthful, radiant glow. Remember, beauty isn't about achieving perfection. It's about embracing your natural self and feeling confident in your own skin. So go ahead, give these remedies a try, and let us know how they work for you in the comments below. Until next time, stay fabulous.